In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slice an image in Figma. Whether you're working on a design project or simply tinkering around with your creative ideas, understanding how to slice an image in Figma can greatly enhance your productivity and make your designs more versatile. Now let's dive into the process and take it one step at a time, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to effectively slice your images. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is pick an image that you'd like to slice. This is a crucial step because the image you choose will be the focal point of your project. So take a moment to select an image that best suits your needs and the design work you have in mind. Once you've made your selection, we can move on to the slicing process. You'll notice that at the bottom of the Figma interface, there's a set of tools collectively known as the region tools. This is where you'll find the controls necessary for slicing your image. Click on the drop-down menu located there and look for the option labeled Slice. Alternatively, for a quicker method, simply press the S key on your keyboard, which serves as a handy shortcut to the slicing tool. With the Slice tool activated, you can now begin slicing the image according to your specific preferences. This flexibility allows you to decide how big or small the slices should be based on what you need for your design project. You have full control to adjust both the position and the dimensions of each slice, ensuring they align perfectly with your creative vision. Take your time to get this step just right, as it will fundamentally impact the usability of your sliced images. Once you're satisfied with how you've sliced your image, you're ready to export the results. Look over to the right side of your Figma interface, and there you'll find the export options. Click on Export, and you'll be presented with several file format options to choose from, including PNG, JPEG, SVG, or even PDF, depending on what best suits your needs. Before finalizing your export, you can check the preview to make sure everything looks exactly as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to slice an image in Figma. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, opens the door to a wide range of creative possibilities. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspired new ways to approach your design projects. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.